dogs of the Han Court, are you? Any who oppose us shall know only the end of our blades! Ha-ha! You'll be begging me to spare you!
The flow of chi is changing. Be ready for anything.
Don't get so cocky. Damn it! What is that power? I, General of Man, brother of the great sage mentor! I shall not betray my brother's trust!
That jade. It should give you the power you need to overcome this challenge. Just endure their attacks a little longer, an opportunity will present itself, I'm sure. Now, unleash the power residing in the... You fought very well. Now, the village is safe.
By my head.
Why are you...
You shall die! Long, every bit as strong as the rumors say.